Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So you do want to supercharge your sales with a business account. Switching from a personal account unlocks higher selling limits, pro tools, and a legit business vibe. So let us talk about the steps to do this. You need to start by logging into ebay.com. Click My eBay in the top right corner. Head to the Account tab and scroll to Personal Information. Look for Account Type. It'll stay Individual. Click on Edit link to start the upgrade. You might need to re-enter your password for security, so have it ready. After that, guys, select Business Account on the next page. Fill in your business name, address, and phone number. Make sure they're accurate. If you're in the EU, add your TIN to comply with 2025 DAC7 tax rules, which eBay enforces for business accounts. Double check everything, then hit confirm to log in your new status. After that, we can finalize. Set a returns policy to meet eBay's business standards. Something simple like 30 days work. Click save and boom, your business account is live, giving you access to promotions, manager, and bulk listing tools. That's pretty much it. You're now a business seller ready to crush it on eBay in this year. Have you made the switch? Share your experience in the comments and hit the like button. Also subscribe to us for more tricks like this. Catch you in the next one, guys.